welcome to Newsphere. Today we are going to do a floating heart science experiment. And all you will need is either a glass or ceramic bowl, some water, and some dry erase markers, okay? And what we're going to do is we are going to draw with our dry erase markers in our bowl. And after we're done drawing, we're going to slowly pour some water and we are going to watch our drawings float. So I'm going to start drawing some hearts, okay? Sometimes there are colors that won't float. So you have to experiment and try different colors. So that's why I have a pink one and a purple one. So we can see which color will float in the water. I'm going to do a purple one. When you draw your hearts, make sure that you color it in very well, okay? You have to color it in all the way. Here are my hearts. Start pouring the water really slow. Do you see some of the hearts floating around? Look at that. Look at our hearts floating in the water. Wow, isn't that cool? But do you see these two purple ones? They are not floating. Some of them will float and some of them won't, and that's okay. But you can experiment with different colors to see which colors float better. And you can even draw different pictures. You can draw different shapes, maybe a letter. You can draw whatever you want when you try this experiment, okay? So have so much fun